Hello students, hope you are well and studying. Now, once again I will remind you what are the methods which are included in ISC syllabus for calculation of goodwill. So, average profit method we have already studied simple average and weighted average method. Now it's time for super profit method. So, super profit is nothing but the excess of actual profit over the normal profit prevailing in the industry. So super profit equals to average profit, actual profit minus normal profit. So two things you need to have to calculate super profit. So first thing is actual profit and another thing is normal profit. So in some sums both the things may be given and otherwise you have to calculate. So first case may be that it is not given and sometimes is given with name of average maintainable profit. So average maintainable profit and actual profit are both the same things. So sometimes it is given and when it is not given you have to calculate. So how will you calculate the average maintainable profit? So average maintainable profit is nothing but average profit of given years. Suppose 5, then you have to calculate from there what is the average profit for given years, and sometimes it is also given. We will see both the cases. Now normal profit or you have to calculate. Now how to calculate normal profit? So formula for calculating normal profit is normal profit equals to this, you can write also, note also, normal rate of into capital employed. Now, what is capital in employed? Generally, it is given in the sum, but for your sake of information, total assets minus current liability is called capital employed. So, total assets means fixed assets plus current assets. If you subtract current liability from the total of fixed assets and current asset, you will get employed. But generally, it is given. When you will get ultimately both the things, average maintainable profit and normal profit, then you need to calculate super profit. Super profit equals to average maintainable profit, I have written in short AMP, and minus normal. So now the value of goodwill can be calculated. It is given in the sum. How many years of super profit is supposed to be? So you will have to multiply that number of years of purchase into super profit, the value of goodwill. Super profit into numbers of years of purchase. Now let's see this method with the help of an example. So X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They decide to admit Z for an equal share, and for the purpose of valuation of goodwill, it will be 4 years purchase of super profit. Now capital employed of the firm is given rupees 2 lakh and normal rate of return may be taken as 12% per annum. So normal rate of return is given here, capital employed is given here, and average maintainable profit is also given here after calculation, that is rupees 30,000. You need to calculate the value of goodwill using the super profit method. Now let's see how to solve this sum. So capital employed is given already, so we will just write it for your convenience also. I am writing this. Capital employee is given rupees 2 lakh. Again, normal profit is given. It will be calculated using capital employed and normal rate of return. So normal profit equals to capital employed into normal rate of return. I am writing in short NRR. You can note these formulas. So it will be equals to 24,000 because normal 1,000. Now we will have to find average maintainable profit. So average maintainable profit is also given here rupees 30,000. You don't have to calculate this. It is already given. Now you have got both the things, average maintainable profit and normal profit. Now you can calculate super profit. So super profit equals to average maintainable profit. Let's write one formula. Average maintainable profit, AMP, in short, minus normal profit. So here we have calculated rupees 30,000 AMP and normal profit is now we can calculate the value of goodwill using the formula. So goodwill equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. So number of years of purchase is given 4. So 6,000 into 4 equals to rupees 24,000.